Luckily for you, I have the answers.
Conduction, convection, radiation.
First, conduction. Conduction is the movement of heat through particles. It's caused by a temperature difference.
Here is a heat source and here are the particles. The particle closest to the flame gets hot and starts to vibrate, knocking into its neighbour, transferring the heat, and that particle starts to vibrate as well. This process continues until all the particles inside the object are very hot and vibrating fast because they are full of kinetic energy.
This kettle that you touched was being heated by the flames underneath. The particles that made up your hand were cooler than the ones in the kettle. So when you touch the kettle, the heat energy will rush into your hand, burning you.
Oh, okay.
Next is convection. Wait, don't! Ouch!
In liquids and gases, heat has a slightly different way of moving. Here is your kettle and the particles. The particles near the heat source grow warm, making the particles less dense. They make their way to the top, pushing the colder, more dense particles to the bottom. This cycle repeats, making the water hotter and hotter.
Last is radiation.
Objects that are hot give off heat energy in the form of infrared. Humans can't see infrared waves, but can detect it as heat on our skin. If you stand outside in the sun, put your hand near a flame, or put your hand near a kettle,
You feel heat.
this is radiation.
So now we know all about how heat travels through different substances and how to know when something might be hot and why it's hot.
Radiation, convection, conduction.
That's right, Cleo. Good job.